Hello students, welcome back to Diksha Vedantu English for 9th and 10th. I am your chemistry master teacher Ankitha. Today I am going to tell you how to align your preparation subject wise for the given timetable. So how do you need to revise? So let's see, so what are the important things and what do we need to do? So first thing first, please do subscribe to the channel and turn on the notifications. We will be coming live every day, so it will be really useful for you, and please do share the videos with your friends as well. And yes, let's get started. We have a Telegram channel, so the link will be in the description. Please join that, and we will be providing you the notes in the description. So click on the link and download the notes. Okay, so and it's free. Yeah, so on 19th February to 13th March we have the exam. So 19th we have Samskrita, 21st we have Hindi, 24th we have Kannada. So if you have taken any other language, so it comes in between. And on 26th we have English, science is on 2nd of March, and after that we have 7th. So on 7th of March we have social science, and on 11th we have mathematics, and on 13th we have computer applications. So I have taken the most commonly chosen subject by the students. Okay, there are more subjects, more languages, but I haven't taken it because, so these are the most commonly chosen subjects by the students. So tricks for studying language subjects. What are the tricks that we can use to study language subjects? The first thing, reading and revising the summary. Rather studying everything, rather holding the book, rather studying every sentence during the exam or day before the exam, do this. So read the summary if you have the summary of a poem, or read 5-6 marks question or answers for the respective chapters and poems. Focus on letter writing and essays. This will be asked in every year's question paper. Please do not ignore this. Please do read, please do focus on letter writing as well as essays. And grammar and spelling mistakes should be avoided. So whenever you are writing answer in a language paper, you should be very mindful of grammar mistakes as well as spelling mistakes. So, and practice speed writing. This is very important. This is one of the most commonly made mistake by students. The thing is, in language, especially in your first and second language, you would need more time to write the answers. So increase your pace of writing, okay, and practice previous year question paper. So if you can get your hands on past 5 years question paper, please just revise it, just recall all the concepts by looking at the question paper. And this is, I wouldn't say you have to give mock test, as many mock tests as possible for language subject, but it is mandatory for science and maths, but not language. Okay, so if you can give 1 or 2 mock tests, pre-boards or preparatories, that's enough, that's more than enough. And tricks for studying social science. Focus on the dates, please focus on the dates. And drawing the map is very important. You have geography, so practice drawing the map whenever you are reading geography. So scribble the map, okay. And read and analyze history like a story. Rather by-hearting or mugging up history, try to read it like a beautiful story. And remember the names. If it is the place or the name of the emperor, so try to remember that and make a list of all the things, and you can glance, you can look at it once in a while. And tricks for studying mathematics. Oh, mathematics used to be really difficult for me. So the thing that has helped me is practice. Okay, so I used to take rough papers, buff papers, and I used to write. Okay, and I scored 89 marks. That's not bad at all. I thought so I would flunk in maths, but I didn't. Yes, mock test is very important for mathematics. Previous year question papers, so they would change the number. That's it. Okay, so try to solve as many mock tests, as many previous year question papers as possible. And exercise question, do not ignore your in-text exercise questions, and practice theorems. So you will have theorems, so practice the theorems, derive the theorems. And thorough practice of the formula is very important. Make a list of all the formula and revise it multiple times. And rather focusing only on the final answers, focus on the steps. Whenever you are solving a problem, rather focusing on the final answer, focus on the steps, because steps has marks in maths. Okay, they not only concentrate on the final answer but steps. You will get marks for the steps even if you do not get the final answer correctly. And tricks for studying science. Oh, this is my favorite subject. Physics, calculations, formula as well as diagrams. You have convex lens, concave lens, so Fleming's right hand rule. There are so many things, right? So try to try to include as many diagrams as possible in your studies, because when you learn the diagrams, so the subject, the theory behind the diagram is very easy. And in chemistry, practice chemical reactions like maths. There are so many chemical reactions. I have made a video on all the chemical reactions that are there in your chemistry syllabus. You can go check that out, and the notes is also available in the same description. So practice all these chemical reactions like maths, and try to use the general or the reaction. Okay, for example, I will show you general reaction for neutralization reaction. So if you remember this, acid is going to react with base to form salt, water and heat. This is nothing but neutralization reaction, right? If you remember the general formula, so you can almost write any chemical equation. So try to remember the general formula. And in biology, diagrams and terminologies are very important. So there are so many diagrams in biology, just like physics. So what do you need to do? Try to practice diagrams, so that everything will be stored in your brain, the theory part behind the diagram. And also please label them. Labeling, you cannot forget this. Labeling the parts is very, very important. Okay, whenever you write a diagram, label it. And yes, general statistics, use mind maps, and regular revision is very, very important. If you find it difficult, if you find a topic difficult, revisit multiple times. And previous year question papers, to understand and familiarize with the format, you should know the format. How many questions will be asked for 1 mark, 2 marks, and what is the time that I would need, or it differs from individual to individual. So what is the time that I would take to solve the part B? So you should know that, right? So, and you have to keep this in mind. 3 hours of exam, they are not going to give you any more time, more than 3 hours. So you need to be very mindful of that, and give mock tests, and please do attend live classes, okay, and be proactive in the class. And limit your resources, increase your revision. So it's not time for you to buy new books that are available in the market and start studying them. It is time for you to revise and revise. Okay, revision is the key, guys. Do not forget this. This is very, very important. So the focus should be on the revision. So this is all. Okay, so this is how you need to align your preparation, align your revision for the given timetable. So all the best. I wish you all the best. Okay, may God bless you, and I am pretty sure that you are going to score really, really well. And please do join, do subscribe to Diksha Vedantu English. Yes, thank you so much. I'll see you all in the next session. Bye bye.